or standing? You don't got nothing under.
No,
full stand.
Yo.
Nature, walk with Sam.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're here at the supermarket about to get some groceries because we're gonna cook. Do a little chefing, like a thing like that.
Come on, yeah man, you don't know. Stay tuned.
Alright, so we stop and get some ground provision.
Grand actually?
Yes, you can say hi to the channel.
Let me put on my head.
Sister Shaga put on her head. Sister put on her head and come back there now.
Go for the head and come back.
So I guess if you come and ask Claudette,
Just a sister.
just say sister, S-I-S-T-A, no
Alright.
sister.
You go sister with all the first
Hi. Hey fish. Hey. For the persons who don't live in Jamaica, when was the last time you had a blacky mango?
What you look, you know?
Right, so Rasta is not going to take me to the usual spot today. We're going to a different location. So I almost reached the river.
Yeah, light up some fire now.
I'm walk around with sheen tag on the back of my shirt. You could have tell me to take off the tag.
Yeah, video.
It's
Yeah,
all
that
good,
was
man.
real.
Yeah.
Right now, you're chill with Sham. Yeah, man, we give thanks, you know. And you don't know it's nature walk with Sham, you know. And the ganja tours link up and we are cook some food and all our vibes.
Nature, walk with Sam.
Yeah, man, we give thanks, man. Yeah, man.
So I'm gonna peel sweet potato. Everybody know that this is the hardest thing to peel. dance one. How am I gonna come for you, Chelsea? Please come, Chelsea. You want to cool? Man.
Coconut rundown, tomato, and roasted saltfish in it. Go and come down to oil, and then you steam down. Banana, cocoa, yam, sweet potato, dash in.
Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. Yeah man, you don't know the ganja tours and Sham, you know? Link up. Nature walk with Sham. And we have all a natural vibe. And Tupsi there. Yeah. Ready, man.
Remember can swim on the floor? How you go funny? We can't swim by this. Be a leaf there from my butt. This life, guys. I was born to live this life. First, I look like in our movie. Everything's so clear and pretty. Like, I decided just I hit the water, right?
She can't walk here, so I know the extra is far.
So there's a miniature waterfall. Up there. Oh, look at this. It's so nice.
Let's not get everywhere, boy.
Alright, so we're going back down to the base of the river to get something to eat. Like, we really had a lot of fun here. I would definitely recommend you booking a tour with the Ganja Tours so that he could take you here. Like, just look at this. Like, it's so beautiful. And the water feels so nice, honestly. It's just really relaxing. Like, what? This is all the human mind really needs. Food and nature. And God, of course, you need Jesus Christ, our Lord and Savior. But yeah, because most persons have to use the sun or rain to go to sleep because of where they live, or the sun or water to sleep. And we have it right here, so in our backyard. Like, it's such a blessing that we have that sometimes we take for granted, especially as Portland people. We have yeah, so as Portlanders, we're really blessed, and Jamaicans on a whole, we're really blessed, but mainly Portlanders, because you know we have the best waters on the island. Nobody can compete.
Shredded vegetable. Shredded vegetable. Season up and put it in.
No, eating healthier because the girl is fat. Eh? Man, eat out our home bowl. Watch out. And no food still. But bowl big. Alright. We're gonna eat right now. Watch your bowl. The bowl big like my head. We're gonna eat right now, and then we'll start
Standing a certain things through I overstanding.
You come to the understanding. You don't got nothing under. A full stand. Me
Yes, I say you.
And I girls there me go steal.
And the girls there. That is right.
Alright, most sure what me get. English give me understanding.
yeah.
So through understanding, I acknowledge overstanding. And through my overstanding, I come to an inner standing. And my inner standing, let me be outstanding. You know, I just them thing there. So what happen now is a simplicity. Why is it the opposite of over is under, and we have understanding and then don't give
We
it
overstanding. Alright.
Maybe them are train my mind for understand so we can continue to be beneath them while them are overstand.
That's exactly it. That's it, man.
I'm glad how they them a teach me while they them a learn from me, you know.
That is it.
Because that's a life going on, my sister.
Correct.
Teach one.
Have you already imagined?
The last time I tried this in the Rasta, I have one short ear. My ear did short. And to me, I whole time, just a flash ear. The last time I tried to do this in there. But that's not stronger.
Everything from that.
Me left them sitting there alone.
It's a different level. It's a different level.
No, I'm not today. Not to reach Panta fight.
Me not try no
Next day, when we're down
They say no to drugs, kids.
the regular spot.
Say no to drugs, kids.
Yeah.
Don't follow peer pressure like Rasta.
Yeah, I always say no.
Say no to drugs. Okay?
Okay.
But listen to this.
I say
When did
the girl have the little pixie haircut. And I say me flash and then me say, yes, when me go so front way, I say no, that one then no look good, go back. And I go so, and I go side way, never again. Never. Me love that man. On a nasty Marsha, one girl pick me and eat out a garbage pan. So we're heading home. Alright, so we just came back uphill. It was a joke. But we just came back uphill, so we're about to head home. Today was definitely fun. We enjoyed the river. The water is really beautiful. If you would like to come here, just link up the Ganja Tour. You can look for him on YouTube as well at the Ganja Tours. So I hope you liked the video today. Remember to hit the like button, share, subscribe if you haven't already.
I of the Ganja Tour, nature walk with Sham and with pretty little friend Chupsi.
Man, was a joy, you know. Big up Sham, you don't know. Nature walk with Sham. Make sure you like, subscribe and share, you know. You don't know. I'm on the Ganja. I love what I do and do what I love, you know. And also it's all about. Right, that's how we just left exclusives, not the normal people them go them place there, you see me? So, and everybody, I never seen nobody vlog there, so but we give thanks, it was a great gathering, grateful to the Most High Jah for guidance and protection. Until them time there again. Jah, Rastafari.
Alright, we're driving and back. Back in a book.
I'm here shrink up.
Yeah. I'm up to Sam. Don't know. Big up Sam, you see me?
Best up Sham, you don't know.
Yeah, man.
I associate.
Yeah, man. Blessings.
And more glory. And take it down.
Oh, it's a try. I go try to see if we can go first. We can skate. More try.
Yeah, long time.
I don't know if we skate.
Come on, I want to. Come kick and push like a teacher.
Yo!
Yes, brother. Let's up.
Can kiss me. Alright.
Yeah, man. So, we put a little bit under this, so see? So you just, it's like you work with your weight, you know?
So which foot would be used? The right foot or easy?
Which foot you feel good at? Push with. That one there?
Wait, hold the camera, Chipsy.
Hold the camera.
Hold it good, clear.
Yeah, be a grung eye show.
No, me I look for life up and down.
That's still big, man. Come down, I make you come down.
Yeah. Yo!
But that's crash, I go crash.